What's going on, everyone? Vince here with Life with Vince Luu, and today we're going to find out if Walgreens has some hitters or not. So I went to Walgreens the other day, and usually Walgreens, every time I go, they're out of stock of Pokemon cards, sports cards, but this time that I went, they had this 4-pack trading card game lightning box. It comes with 4 packs and then 1 bonus card, and the 4 packs it comes with is Rebel Clash, Champion's Path, Burning Shadows, and you can't see, but in the back there is an Evolutions pack. And then it also comes with 1 bonus card, so I'm excited to open this because this actually comes from the secondary market, I believe. On the back it says it's distributed by the Fairfield Company. The products in this package have been purchased directly from the manufacturer or purchased from the secondary market and repackaged for retail by the Fairfield Company. So I'm always a little bit hesitant if they are repackaged by a secondary company, but I don't know. We'll try our luck and we'll see how it goes. So with that being said, let's get into it. All right, 4 packs. And again, Evolutions, Burning Shadows, Champion's Path, and Rebel Clash. And then the bonus card, a Camerupt. So Camerupt, no idea. I'm not familiar with this Pokemon because I only know the first 250 basically. So Camerupt, non-holo, but it is a rare. So all right, let's start with Rebel Clash. Let's just go from right to left. Ooh, Scyther, that looks nice. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if it's 3 or 4. I'm just going to do 3 just in case. All right. Carkol, Hatrem, Pokeball, Scyther. I like that Scyther. Scyther was actually one of my favorite Pokemons growing up. Vullaby, Dreepy, Magmar. It's kind of a weird pose, Magmar. Yamask, Voltorb, Reverse Holo, and Ludicolo. Don't know this Pokemon either because, again, I'm only familiar with the first 250. So, no hitter in that one. Let's go to Champion's Path. Champion's Path. I heard Champion's Path is not that good of rips. It's either a hit or miss. It's either you get something really good or you don't. So, 1, 2, 3, front. Right, so it's 4 in the front because there's energy in the back. Yep, I guessed that right. Sharpedo, Malamar, Piers, Vulpix. Oh, that's cool looking Vulpix. Potion, Carvanha, Kakuna, Weedle, Liepard. So a reverse holo of Liepard, and yo, let's go! Dreadnought. So something super shiny, or shinier than usual. So again, if you're joining me for this Pokemon journey, ripping, flipping, investing, I have no idea what I'm doing because, yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing. I basically only know the first 250 Pokemon. 1, 2, 3. Energy. So yeah, I only basically know the first 250 Pokemon, but I wanted to pick up Pokemon Pokemon card trading, investing, flipping, collecting as a new hobby because it's fun. So it's like my second week. So forgive me if I don't know all of these like newer Pokemon. And again, I don't even know how to react to like what's a good card or what's a bad card. So I'm just putting this on video because it's fun. Porygon 2, Simisear, Metapod, Crabrawler, Morlo. Like, where do they find out? Like, how do they name these Pokemon? Sandygast, Venipede, Horsey. Okay, I know that one. Turtonator. Turtonator, star, reverse hollow. So it's star means that it's rare, and then reverse hollow. So that's cool. I know now that if it's a reverse hollow of a rare, then that's a good thing. And then the back, let's go. Nope. Tan growth. Oh, that's interesting. Tan growth, because Tangela, like when Tangela was part of the first 250, did not have an evolution. So, well, that's cool. All right, then last but not least, evolutions. Evolutions I have like a better understanding of, just because I opened an Elite Trainer box like last week, and then they were like, it's just basically a reprint of when I collected Pokemon cards as a kid. So they're the reprint, and then they add a few additional cards. Right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, dang. Now there's no suspense now, because I thought there was an energy in the back, but there's not. So the Dugong is there. This is like my third Dugong. So, lame. Okay, Nidorino, Pidgeot, Spirit Link, Porygon, Electabuzz, Magikarp, Ghastly, Sandshrew, Weedle, and a reverse hollow Nidorino. So, all in all, no hits except for this one right here. There's Dreadnought, but how good is this card? I have no idea, but it's super shiny. I like that. I like the shininess. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that.